Hey guys, this is Shivam here from Smartphone Guru, and today in this video we have this robot vacuum cleaner from Dreame. It's their Dreame L20 Ultra. So in this video, first we will unbox this, and the next part will be recorded after me using it for a couple of months. So let's roll the intro and then we will continue. So let's first talk about some of the key features that this robot vacuum cleaner comes with. So firstly, this has two rotating mop pads, one of which it can extend for better edge cleaning, and it can also raise it mop pads by 10 mm. But the best part is that these mop pads are magnetically attached, so it can leave these mop pads at the base station whenever it's time for vacuuming. So you don't have to worry about the thickness of your rugs or the carpets you have at your place. And this robot has 7000 PO suction, and it not only comes with a LiDAR for navigation, but it also has an RGB camera for object detection, so you don't have to worry too much about the decluttering of your space. The docking station of this also has this washboard where it not only can clean its mop pads or wet them before doing a mopping job, but it can also dry them afterwards using a hot air blower. Now let's quickly get on to the unboxing, and this is also the part where I realize that I am gonna need help, and so will you. So don't try this at home and get help. And here's the dock station, and on the top of it you have a lid, opening which you will have access to this. Here you have a clean water tank, a dirty water tank, and a place to put the cleaning solution and a cleaning brush. Here's the auto emptying dock station, and you can pop this front panel by sliding the thing at the bottom towards the left, and then you can just pop it right open. And in here is the dust bag where it collects the dust after it's done vacuuming, and it also comes with one extra. And here's the actual washboard that I was talking about earlier. This is where it cleans and dry the mop pads. And here are the two charging points and the plug through which it refills the tank inside the robot before it goes out for cleaning. And on the right we have this opening through which it sucks the dust out of the robot and puts it inside the dust bag situated above. And here on the top of the dock station you have these three touch buttons. First is to tell the robot to get out of the station, which you will be using whenever you clean the robot or the dock station. And the second is to start and pause whatever job you have assigned to the robot. And the third is to start the drying process, which you won't be using because you can set the drying part on auto, so it will automatically dry the mop pad whenever it has completed a mopping job. Now let's take a quick look at the accessories that comes with it. So it comes with two mop cloths which are already attached to the mop pads via velcro, a 2-pin charging cable, a side brush, a bottle of floor cleaner, and the warranty and the user manual. So now let's take a quick overview of this robot vacuum cleaner. So on the top we have the LiDAR sensor, and we also have a bump sensor to protect the LiDAR, and on the front we have the RGB camera with two lights to assist it whenever the lights are off. The top lid can be removed easily as it's just sitting there with the help of magnets. And here's your dustbin, your LiDAR sensor, and we also have three buttons, one for the power on off, one for home, and another for zone cleaning. And here on the bottom side we have the mops, the wheels, the main brush and the side brush, and some sensors for drop protection and carpet detection. And here on the back we have the charging points and one hole from where it fills the inside water tank when it's at the dock station. And on the left there is a passage from where the dock station will suck the dust out from the dust box inside the robot. So after using it for 2 months and 3 firmware updates, here's my review. So this has advanced object detection, and it detects with the help of its RGB camera that's in the front, and it identifies and navigate around obstacles like socks, clothes, shoes, wires, and it even provides you with a picture of the detected object directly into the app, so you are always in the know. And it keeps my home clean without much of my effort actually. and I use it for daily vacuuming and mopping only twice a week. And over 2 months of my rigorous use, it has shown me that it just as reliable as it is powerful. It never got stuck anywhere, and it never failed to auto empty itself into the bag that is inside the docking station, and it never had any issues while cleaning it mop pads for mopping. As for customization, you got tons of it. You can control every aspect of its cleaning routine, from the order in which it cleans during a whole house session to adjusting vacuum and mop intensities. You want it to avoid carpets or clean them first? The choice is yours. You can even set it to run cleaning cycles up to 3 times for those extra dirty days, and scheduling is quite a breeze on this. You even have shortcuts, and you can trigger those shortcuts with the help of scheduling. So that's great. And if you ever want to check on your home, or if you ever want to check on your pet while you are away, you can even use the inbuilt RGB camera on this to monitor everything remotely. And actually, very recently, Dreame decided to bring down some cleaning features from their top tier X30 and X40 model, like gap cleaning and intense cleaning around the furniture legs. So thumbs up for adding more features to their previous model. But L20 is not exactly a previous model, because Dreame is actually running quite behind with their global launches. Their X30 and X40 are still not available in many countries around the globe, and L20 is currently their best offering here in India. So now with that out of the way, where were we? Yeah, we were talking about customization. You can customize your docking station settings as well. You can adjust the drying time from 2 hours to up to 4 hours, and you can set the mop wash intensities, and you can even set how often it auto empties its dustbin into the bag at the station. And you can also send it to clean specific areas of your home, which can be triggered with the help of zone cleaning option. And you can save those zones as shortcuts for quick access for areas that might need cleaning frequently. And this also has the ability to save multiple maps and create backups, so it's easy to manage if you have multiple floor. Plus this also have that feature of cleaning along the floor direction, so if you have tile floors, it will be good for you. And it also has auto carpet detection, although as you can see, I don't have a carpeted area at my place. I have hard floors, but I do have two thick furry bathroom rugs, and although it wasn't as gentle as I would have liked, it's better than those with bristle based main roller brushes. Now as for notifications, it notifies you when your wastewater tank goes full or the clean water tank gets empty, but unfortunately it can't detect how full the dust bag is, so you will have to figure it out for yourself, as it will be different for everyone. For me, it's almost full now after 2.5 months of usage with 3 humans and 0 pets. It also notifies you and shows you the list of other accessories, but I don't think you will need to replace them as oftenly as it recommends. My suggestion would be to just clean and check after like 3 months of after like 3 weeks of usage. Whenever you are free, just check and only replace them if you actually feel like it needs to be replaced. So all in all, it's a really good robot vacuum. It takes away all your effort, but at quite a price. So that was it. This is all for this video. If you have any questions, or you want to share your experience with this one or any other robot you have, you can drop it in the comment section down below. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button, and for more videos like this one, do subscribe. Bye bye for now.